If you guys are new, we do a thing called the donation of the break, where we pick a charity to donate some money to before the break takes place. So again, guys, our usual is Sick Kids Hospital. For those who are new and don't know me personally, I was a patient at Sick Kids Hospital for a few years. I got diagnosed with Crohn's disease, so I was admitted overnight with a plus 100 degree fever, an infection, the whole works, and I had to stay there for a few weeks. So it was a very troubling time, but again, guys, you know me, like, I have high praise for Sick Kids Hospital, and I'm really happy that we've made huge contributions so far, just as you guys and collectively are allow this to happen. So again, huge thanks to you guys. If you have any other charities that you have impacted your family, friends, or just know of, please drop them down in the comments. I'm always looking to expand the horizon and donate to other charities, both on and off the camera. So again, guys, huge thank you. It's going to a good cause, and it's always a good way to start off the break. Other than that, we have a Cello box of Mosaic football. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 that we are going to be ripping today, guys. Probably by far one of my favorite football products. I would honestly, guys, I would take this over Prism in hype. But again, guys, you know me, I'm an Illusions. Illusions is probably my favorite product for football, but Mosaic by far best price and hit in my opinion. There are so many case hits. In Illusions, you don't really get the case hits. So really excited to rip this open. Again, good luck everybody. The way I do it is I divide it each pack up into the normal pack and the bonus pack, and then I open up the bonus packs last. If you guys don't like it that way, please let me know, and I'll be sure to change it up. But other than that, if nobody objects to it, then that's what we will do tonight. Yeah, okay, so I'm not the only one who likes Mosaic over Prism. I'm not the only one. I like to know that I'm actually sane. Alright, good luck, guys. I'm just going to be opening all these packs, and then we will get ripping. Since you have the Texans, what do you think about Deshaun Watson going to Cleveland? I want your take on that. I usually ask that in the chat from time to time. Over that, I love Mosaic over that off-center Prism. Yeah, here, I gotta show you. I ripped a Prism. Let's see. I ripped a, like, look at that. That's left to right off centered and bottom top. Like, all these cards are. Like, getting a 10 is like a huge feat for Prism, especially when you're getting into higher scores. Mosaic is not bad when it comes to centering too. That is something that I keep on forgetting. Dude is going to jail. Oh, I'm surprised he's not in jail. Like, he must have paid off so many people to the point where his contract is basically going to lawsuits. We're just paying people under the table. Like, yeah. I forget what the Browns even... I forget what the Browns gave up for Watson, but like, then you're giving up Baker Mayfield. Baker Mayfield's not going to be a backup QB, so he could be a starting QB on a lot of teams. Like, if you're being honest, are you taking Baker or are you taking Carson Wentz? Like, I have a lot of respect for Carson Wentz, but come on. It says I'm all good on Wi-Fi. Let me check the Wi-Fi. Yeah, my Wi-Fi is good on this end. Again, guys, worst comes to worst, if your Wi-Fi lags out or just cuts you out, I post all of my recordings to my YouTube page. So, pulled a Mayfield 15 from one of these Cellos earlier. Okay, let's hope, guys, we have some Metro Boomin's luck tonight. Let's hope. Let's hope. Okay, guys, so just a quick look at the regular pack right here. 12 cards in the regular. We have 3 in the bonus, bringing our each Cello to 15. This is hopefully one of these contains a case hit. Again, good luck, guys. And comment down below if you have any favorite teams or anything like that. Always like to see and interact with you guys. All right, so we got Joe to start things off, going to the talking about Deshaun Watson. Talking about Deshaun Watson going to Metro Boomin. Fitzpatrick, he's gonna be crazy. He's gonna be crazy next year. Or just give him like 2 more years. He's already good. Kirk Cousins, Jamal Adams, Larry Fitz on the Man of the Year, and then we got Silver Mosaic, Jacksonville Jaguars. We have a Nashon Wright green Mosaic going to the Cowboys. Aaron Rodgers, Patty Mahomes on the green. Touchdown Masters. Anthony Schwartz and a Amari Rodgers going to the Green Bay Packers. All right. We got a Brandon Cooks, Andy Dalton, Dante Hall, a Tom Brady. Bring on the T-Law. Okay. We pulled T-Law in almost every break. So we Apple user. We gotta continue that. And user act, let's see a Genesis. We got Reggie Bush. What do you guys think of Reggie Bush? Should they return his Heisman Trophy? Yes or no? Keenan Allen, Kawhi Pay, Josh Allen on the green Mosaic AFC. That's a nice hit. Going to the Bills. Ryan Tannehill, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Frank Darby, and an Eric Stokes. Back-to-back Green Bay hits there on the rookies. All right, we got a Chad Johnson, a CEH, Emmitt Smith, nice little throwback, DK Metcalf, Damian Harris, another Tom Brady, but NFC, Jerry Rice, Super Bowl MVPs. We got a Kurt Warner on the green Mosaic. That's a nice hit. Lamar Jackson's going to the Ravens. And another Patty Mahomes parallel. Silver Mosaic, will to win. And a Jamar Chase. Let's go. Nice hit. Going to the Bengals there. Are the Bengals in the chat? Nice hit. And a Jeremiah to follow that. All right, we got Jamar Chase. Bengals are up on the board. All right, we got a James Robinson, Myles Garrett, Deontay Johnson. This guy cost me my fantasy year. That last week fumble. Oh, brutal. Brian Jones, Peyton Manning, Man of the Year. He just created a scholarship for Thomas, under Thomas's name. Great guy. Herbie, second year. And a Mac Jones NFL debut going to the Pats. There we go. Pats are already on the board. Not bad. We'll take it. Is anybody on Whatnot here? Anybody have a Whatnot account? We got Jalen Hurts on the green Mosaic. Another Patty Mahomes. Holy. Will to win. CMC. Christian McCaffrey. And then we got Daz Newsome and a Odafe Owuwe. Hey, Flying Panda. How are you doing? Nice to see you back. All right. We got a Robbie Anderson, Quentin Nelson, Alvin Kamara, Derek Carr going to the Raiders, Jared Goff. We got another Patty Mahomes. All right, guys, I'm on Whatnot if you're interested. I do giveaways once a week where I give away about 100 USD. So if you guys are interested. Hey, Owen, how's it going? How's it going, my man? Oh, hey, Eagle, how are you doing? How are you doing, both of you? We got a Dan Marino Silver Mosaic, and then we got a Aziz Ojulari rookie, DK Metcalf, and we got Alvin Kamara, Ben Shornick, and a Deo rookie card. Not bad, not bad. All right. Hey, Mark, how are you doing, my man? How are you doing? We got Carson Wentz, Chad Johnson, another Clyde. We got Damian Harris, Derrick Henry, and we got a Derek Carr going to the AFC. We got a Kyle Pitts rookie card going to the Falcons. Kyle Pitts. And then we got a Ryan Tannehill on the green mosaic. We got a Barry Sanders, Hall of Fame. A Bang, J.K. Dobbins. Hopefully we see more of him. Excited to see what he brings to next season. Caleb Farley, Titans. And a Trey Lance. Jeez, these packs are hidden tonight, guys. These packs are hidden tonight. We got Trey Lance. We got a Jamar Chase. We got a Mac Jones going to the 49ers. Nice hit. And a Kid Reporter. Waste of cards. Holy, the Kid Reporter. All right, come on. We got a Matt Ryan. We got a Von Miller. Curtis Martin. Austin Eckler. Devontae Smith. Going to the Eagles. Mark. Oh, I've known Mark for some time. All right, Jared Goff, Patty Mahomes again, Ray Lewis. Hey, yo. We got Ray Lewis on the mosaic. That's my first Ray Lewis I think I pulled. That's pretty cool. Will to win. Another Ray Lewis. There's a second one. We got Jalen Hurts, got game, a Levi, and a Rondale Moore. Solid pack. Oh. My girlfriend's on the live, so we'll see if she says anything. It's okay. We'll heat up. We'll heat up. We got MPJ. We got Koo, Barry Sanders, Taysom Hill, Scary Terry, Saquon Barkley, NFC. Wrong team, Rib, wrong team, but we'll take it for the bats. Tom Brady. Derek Brooks on the green mosaic, going to you, Rib, and then Brandon Ayuk. We got a Jarvis Bang on the silver mosaic. We got a Peyton Turner and a Elijah Mitchell. All right, remember these bonus packs are always hot. So if we don't hit something here, there's a good chance. T-Law never fails us, especially in illusions. All right, we got a Donald Driver. We got a Robbie Anderson, Quentin Nelson, Deontay Johnson, Brian Jones, a Herbie AFC. This is a print run, but we'll take it because this is the Mac Jones print run. We'll take that any day. We got a Nick Chubb, Terry Bradshaw, Seth Williams, and a Greg Rousseau. Greg Rousseau, guys, give him like 3 years and he's gonna be on everybody's radar. We got Patrick Queen. Donald Driver, Dalvin Cook, Gronk, Drew Brees, Man of the Year, Baker, AFC, Devontae Smith. Did you guys hear the D-Hop news where he tested positive for an enhancer and he's suspended now? Like, I forget how many games, but he's suspended. That's all I know. We got D-Hop on the green. Derrick Henry on the bang. Guy's just a beast. We got a Herbie second year, will to win. 6 games, okay. Yeah, it was either 6 games or 10 games, but I don't know why I thought 10. 10 is a long suspension. Dwayne Eskridge and a Smith Marset. Going to the Vikings. All right, we're down to our 2 here. We got a T. Higgins, Sorensen, Tyler Lockett, Gilmore, Tyreek Hill, AFC, Greg Rousseau, Allen Robinson, and Jerome Bettis, Man of the Year on the green Mosaic. That's a pretty cool card. Allen Robinson, will to win. We got a silver Mosaic of Travis Kelce's Got Game, Nick Bolton, and a Trey Sermon. 49ers are doing pretty well today. Elijah Mitchell, Trey Sermon, and a Trey Lance. All right, last regular pack. All right. We got Joe Mixon, Kyler Murray, Curtis Martin, Austin Eckler, Larry Fitzgerald, Man of the Year, Big Ben, AFC. We got a silver Mosaic of Stephon Diggs. That's a nice hit. Kenneth Gainwell on the color match, green Mosaic. We got a Kyler Murray, will to win. Touchdown Masters, Dalvin Cook. We got a Chuba and a Javion Holland. Okay, guys, we have our bonus packs now. Count them through really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, guys, good luck. We'll split it up into 6s. Yeah, just keep it nice and even there. Yeah, come on. We got to hit him somewhere here. Lamar Jackson, Dez Fitzpatrick, and a Travis Etienne. There we go. We got a pink on the Travis for you. Hopefully we can pull a T-Law. Hopefully. We got Hicks, another Dez, and a Von Miller. Holy, Tennessee getting their money's worth. Like, if Dez does turn out to be someone like that, they're doing well. We got Greg Newsome and a Keenan Allen. Bateman. Honestly, guys, Bateman's by far one of my favorite cards right now to buy. The guy has so much potential. So much potential. I'm pretty sure Hollywood Brown left, right? Forgot what team, but like Bateman's going to have a lot more targets. Aaron Jones, Tyler Lockett, Anthony Schwartz. All right, we got Amari, Drew Brees, and a Wright going to Dallas. Dallas is loaded with rookies in Mosaic. I think like 5 rookies. Calvin Ridley, guy who got suspended for a year. Matthew Stafford, and then Eric Stokes. We got a Deion Sanders, Jalen Waddle. We'll take that. We'll take a Jalen Waddle any day. On the pink. Jalen Waddle. I told you guys, I'm top loading so much. Just got a fresh stack. We got Joe Montana. Yeah, look. Yeah, good pickup. Good pickup. Guys, yeah. We had it unpaid spot, and Rank Flow picked it up. Nice pickup for that Jalen Waddle on the pink camo. Peyton Manning, Byron Jones, and a Gary Brightwell. Not even a Tony there. All right. TJ Hawkinson's, Greg Rousseau, and a Dan Marino. All right, come on. We got a Nick Chubb, Sam Darnold, and a Justin Fields on the pink. Jeez, what a hit. What a hit for Chicago. Wow. Not bad. Chicago in the chat. Not bad at all. Okay, down to our last two. Tom Brady on the pink. Patrick Surtain and Allen Robinson. Okay, guys, after we have one more, but again, throwing in my favorite Cello pack here, Illusions. If you guys are cool with that, I love to throw extras in with every single break, no matter if it's good or bad. So again, guys, do really appreciate everybody for coming out. So if you're cool with it, throwing in that Illusions, let me know, guys, left or right. What we'll do a poll. Guys, crying face for Illusions to rip open first. Happy face for bonus pack. Happy face for bonus pack. First, okay. We're looking like we're doing bonus pack first or Illusions, bonus pack. We'll let it roll for a little. All right, we're seeing happy. Happy. I think it ends by itself. I don't know. Okay, we're going with the bonus pack first, and then we'll open up Illusions. Illusions is stacked, guys, so. Easy with the. Oh, all right, we got a David Johnson. We got a Hunter Henry and a Simi. Not who we're really looking for. But again, guys, hopefully this Illusions pack is lucky. But before that, just want to say a couple quick things before we rip open the last pack. Again, guys, the first one being thank you, everybody, for coming out. It was a blast, as per usual. And the other things I really want to mention are all returning buyers get 5% off of their purchased order or their next break with us. So again, guys, returning buyers, no matter how big your cart is, we will give you 5% off your next break. And then we have two other pieces of news just about our giveaway. So we do an end of break giveaway. So stay tuned for that. It will be after our hoops break. So if you guys are interested in any free polls or units from my dad and my business that we're running, or fractional ownership of cards, stay tuned for that. Again, guys, our just to touch up on our end of year giveaway. So aside from that, our end of year giveaway is just a pool of product that accumulates over the year. Again, guys, we have over $400 in product right now in our pool, and it's only getting bigger as the weeks go by. Right now, we have like some of the things are Don Russ hangers of Mac Jones years. We have Mosaic basketball. We have Prism basketball, LaMelo years. So we have a credit too for our breaks, and we also have card supplies. So if you guys are interested in that, there's 4 ways to enter. The first one being is you can follow this TikTok for 1 entry. The second way is subscribing to our YouTube. You guys get another entry for that. The link is in bio at Aussie Cards. The third way is following us on Whatnot. If you guys don't know what Whatnot is, I have a $10 referral link in my bio that you can use. Again, Whatnot's just live breaks, so I'm trying to get started on that. I think I have like 280 followers, so we're building that slowly. And the final way is just buying into the break. So guys, every $5 you spend on our eBay shop, you get another entry. So that's just a nice little thing that we're trying to run as a thank you gift. So again, enough of me talking. Let's rip this last pack open. Hopefully we have some last pack magic. Again, good luck, everybody, and thank you for coming out. All right. We got Tim Tebow, my man, Tim Tebow. I love this card. And a Rashad Bateman. Look at that. Guys, you already know. I always trade for this Tim Tebow. We got Rashad Bateman. Nice hit for the Ravens. Derek Carr, Chuba, Joey B, Kenneth Gainwell. We got a Tua, a Ryan Tannehill, Najee Harris going to the Steelers. Wow. Illusionist. Jamar Chase seeing double going to the Bengals. What a hit. Bengals. Wow, I've never seen that. Double acetate. And this one does not have too much chipping on the bottom, but that's about it. But geez. Wow. Also, guys, you know what? I'm going to have to throw in something for the pool because we just hit 200 subscribers on YouTube today. Huge thanks, guys. Huge thanks. It really means a lot. I'm really appreciative of everybody who subscribes or follows on any of the socials. So big shout out. We're going to have to pick something on our next live to throw into that pool. Really looking forward to that end of year giveaway. We got Devontae Adams and a Zach Wilson. Again, guys, these illusions packs are just overloaded with stuff. I have to show you guys like my last. If anybody's interested in in buying into a cello of illusions, you guys have to check out one of the breaks on the YouTube. It's crazy. Yeah, it is. It is a really nice looking card. I agree, User Act. Got Tylen Wallace, T. Higgins, Cornell Powell, Myles Garrett, Kyler Murray, Travis Etienne, and a Herbie to end that off. So thank you guys very much for coming out. Just a little run through our hits. We have Zach Wilson, 2 Jamar Chases that were pulled back to back, Justin Fields, Jalen Waddle, Devontae Smith, and Mac Jones, another Devontae Smith, a Trey Lance, another Mac Jones, and another Jamar Chase. So that was pretty good. That was a pretty good break. Really, really, really nice.